If you want to learn how to use Cookie Editor on Grammarly, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step so you can clear old cookies, import new cookie data, and refresh your Grammarly session the right way. This is a simple method, but following the steps carefully matters because one small mistake can stop the cookies from loading properly. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Grammarly in your browser and make sure the Grammarly editor is already loaded in a tab. This is important because the cookies need to be applied to the correct site session. Once Grammarly is open, look at your browser toolbar and find the Cookie Editor extension icon. If you do not see it right away, click the puzzle piece or extensions icon in your browser, then pin Cookie Editor so it appears in the toolbar for easier access later. Now click the Cookie Editor icon to launch the extension. When the panel opens, you may see existing cookies already stored for Grammarly. Before importing new cookies, it is a good idea to remove the old ones first. To do that, look for the trash icon or delete button inside the Cookie Editor panel and clear the existing Grammarly cookies. This helps prevent login conflicts, session errors, or any unwanted issues caused by old saved data. After deleting the existing cookies, you are ready for the next step. At the top of the Cookie Editor panel, click the Import button. This is the feature that lets you add cookie data directly into the browser. Once you click Import, a text box or input window will appear where you can paste your cookie information. Next, paste the cookie data you copied earlier into the input box. Make sure the cookie data is in JSON format, because that is the format Cookie Editor expects for proper importing. Take a moment to double-check that the full data has been pasted correctly, and that nothing is missing or cut off. If the JSON is incomplete, the import may fail or only partly apply the cookies. Once the data is pasted in, click Import again to save and apply the cookies. Cookie Editor will load the new cookie values into your Grammarly session. After that, go back to your Grammarly tab and refresh the page. This refresh is what makes the browser recognize the updated login state and apply the new cookies properly. If everything was done correctly, Grammarly should now reload with the imported cookie session active. At this point, you can continue using the site as needed. If it doesn't work on the first try, just go back and make sure the old cookies were deleted, the JSON was pasted correctly, and the page was refreshed after importing. And that's it. You've now learned how to use Cookie Editor on Grammarly in a clean and simple way. We covered opening the Grammarly tab, launching the extension, deleting existing cookies, importing new JSON cookie data, and refreshing the page to apply the changes. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.